Welcome to Baby Blissful Tales.
This is a lion, the king of the jungle with a mighty roar that echoes through the forest. Meet the tiger. With bright orange stripes, it's strong, fast, and very brave. Here's the elephant, gentle and wise, with big ears and a long, swinging trunk. Say hello to the leopard. Fast and spotted, a great climber of trees in the wild. Look, a bear. It's furry and strong, and it loves to eat sweet honey from the hives. That's a wolf. It howls at night and lives with its pack, working together to survive. This is a fox, clever and quick, with a bushy tail that helps it balance as it runs. Meet the rhino, with thick skin and a big horn. Here's a hippo, big and round, spending most of its time cool in the water. Say hello to the giraffe, with the longest neck that helps it reach the tallest leaves. This is a zebra, with black and white stripes, looking like a moving painting in the wild. Look, a crocodile. It has sharp teeth and a strong tail and lives in the rivers and swamps. Here's a bison, big and powerful, running across the open grasslands with ease. Meet the buffalo, calm and strong, with curved horns that protect it from danger. This is a deer, graceful and fast, with beautiful antlers that grow every year. Say hello to the goat. Playful and sure-footed, climbing hills and rocky places easily. Here's a sheep, soft and fluffy, giving us warm wool to keep cozy and warm. Look, a sloth. It moves super slow but always seems to be smiling gently. Meet the orangutan, swinging through trees with long arms and curious eyes. This is a gorilla, strong and smart, loving its family and living deep in the forest. Here's a chimpanzee, funny and clever, copying actions just like humans do. Look at the pangolin, covered in scales, curling up into a tight little ball for safety. Say hi to the hedgehog, tiny and spiky, hiding away when it feels scared. This is a skunk, black and white, with a smelly surprise to keep enemies away. Here's a raccoon, curious and sneaky, wearing a mask-like face as it explores at night. Look, a wolverine, small but fierce and full of power, never backing down from a fight. Say hello to the lynx, with pointy ears and sharp eyes, a skilled hunter in the wild. This is a kangaroo, hopping fast with strong legs, carrying its baby in a cozy pouch. Meet the quokka, the happiest animal on earth, always smiling wherever it goes. Here's an echidna, a spiny little creature that lays eggs and loves to explore. Say hi to the tortoise, slow and steady, carrying its home on its back wherever it walks. Look, it's a bat. It sleeps upside down and flies silently through the night sky. This is an owl, with big eyes and quiet wings, able to see clearly in the dark. Here's an eagle, strong and proud, soaring high and hunting with sharp claws. Say hello to the hawk, flying fast with sharp eyes and claws, always alert and ready. Look, a vulture. It cleans up nature by feeding on things that have died. This is a parrot, colorful and clever, able to copy sounds and even human speech. Here's a toucan, with a big bright beak and colors, living in the rainforest canopy. Say hi to the wild boar, strong and hairy, digging in the dirt with its tough snout. Look, an antelope, fast and alert, running swiftly with long, curved horns. Here comes the yak, big and fluffy, living high in the cold mountain ranges. Meet the jackal, smart and sneaky, exploring at night to find food and shelter. This is a beaver, building homes out of wood, with a flat tail that helps it swim. Say hi to the otter. Playful and quick, swimming on its back and making funny sounds. Look, a sea lion. It claps and swims, enjoying the sun while resting on rocks. Here comes the whale, the biggest animal in the ocean, gentle and enormous. Meet the dolphin, smart and friendly, jumping happily through the waves. This is an orca, also called the killer whale, bold and powerful in the sea. Say hi to the walrus, with big tusks and whiskers, resting on icy shores. Here comes the elk, strong and tall, living in forests with big antlers.
Thanks for watching. See you again.